Gaming.
So, hi guys, welcome back to LD Gaming. So in today's video, we'll be unboxing something. The main ingredient to making my basically my entire gaming experience truly amazing. So without further ado, let's unbox this package from Lazada. So let's open it up. So as you guys can see, it's pretty big. It's about based from the package details on the internet, it says that it's around 3 kilos. So yeah, let's just get to the unboxing. By the way, I don't have any knife as of now in my room, since as you guys haven't noticed, I'm in a completely new room because I have transferred to another room and have my desk set up. So you guys will see this drastic change when I upload the feature video right after this. So now with unboxing. So as you guys can see, the package is very well secured since it has this bubble wrap layer. Then it has this paper cover to protect it from from scratches, because the box is just as precious as the package itself. So there, bubble wrap is removed, and it's not a router, guys. It's not a router. It's just a brochure given by the supplier of this package. So as you guys can see, here's the receipt, and here is the brochures that they have given me. As you guys can see, MSI, what's this? Some Bible readings and some router brochure. So without further ado, this one is the another brochure. The GeForce RTX 2080 Gaming X3 by MSI. So as you guys can see, it's very big. Here, another camera angle. As you guys can see, it's very big. It's around 3 kilos. So spec-wise, it is 8 gigs of GDDR6. Yes, you heard it right. It's GDDR6, not GDDR5, based from the previous Pascal generation. So it's a 256 memory bus, and basically it has this tri-frozer thermal design, which helps, as MSI says, helps in cooling the heat-intensive RTX 2080. So here we go. Let's open it up. Does this have the dual box? I don't know. Let's see. And no, we don't have the dual box. Unlike the other cards like Zotac and Asus, for example. So foam, and there we go. We have an envelope. We paid how much? 56,000 for an envelope. Joke. Jokes aside, here's the graphics card itself. But first, let's open this envelope first. It's a premium-ish envelope. It has the nice blacked out MSI text and logo. I don't know, guys, if you guys can see it. Yeah, you could see it there. So what's inside? Oh shit. So what's inside? First is the CD. Who still uses a CD anyway? Hello. By the way, you guys don't need to use this because it's only the drivers and the utilities like MSI Afterburner. You just need to download it on the site itself. I'll link it down below as well. So next is the what else inside? The installation guide. So bracket installation and stuff like that. There. And then next is the what else? Quick user's guide, and we don't need that obviously. And some, what's this? Coasters. So this is Gaming is My Life by MSI, and Eat, Sleep, Game, Repeat. Well, that's what I do. And next, Lucky the Dragon Computer Workshop. It's a comics, I guess. And as you guys can see, it's not the updated one, since this one still uses the Lucky the Dragon still uses the GTX 1080 Ti, as you guys can see there. And it's just comics. If you guys want it, I don't know, you guys buy a GPU from MSI if you guys want to read this comics, I guess. So without further ado, the GPU itself. So what's inside? So as you guys can see, it's pretty big. This is my forearm. This is the graphics card. So it's pretty hefty. This one is a three slot design. As you guys can see, it's pretty big. So let's open it up. There we go, the anti-static mat. So as you guys can see, the brushed aluminum backplate, which is very gorgeous, and in front, I mean the side itself, is the huge heatsink by MSI, and it has this nice Mystic Light RGB addressable, and those two LEDs as well. And we have here in front the Trifrozier design from MSI. So there. It's the difference with this one is that this one is a different size, this one is a bigger one, and this one is a similar size, I guess. So it has the zero Frosier technology, which means if it's in idle around 60 degrees, it will stop, but upon loading games or reaching 60 degrees and above, it will run and come back again to a halt once you reach below 60 once again. So there we go. What else is in here? Well, pretty much that's it. A huge heatsink. It has the NV link here, which I won't remove since I won't be using two 2080s. Nonetheless, my YouTube channel hits around 100,000 already. Then I'll buy a new GPU and connect it with this one. So now at the back. So what are the connectivities? We have 1, 2, 3 display ports and 1 HDMI and 1 Type-C cable. Type-C connection rather. So, well, I guess that's it for this one. We have some thank you for choosing MSI there. I'll set this aside first. Then what else is in here? So, what's this? What's this? So we have a 6-pin to 8-pin adapter, which we will not be using since we have an a Corsair 850 watt power supply, and we also have a GPU bracket. So this one is made out of metal, as you guys can see. I don't know if it's aluminum or something like that, but it is very nice. It has this black paint with a silver and red finish with a gold text saying "True Gaming." So this one is your support bracket. You put it in your PCI slots to prevent GPU sagging, since this graphics card is a very heavy one. It weighs around 2.5 to 3 kilograms, so it's pretty hefty. So yeah, so I'll keep this video short so that you guys will be able to be surprised by the upcoming build that I will be doing. So that's it for now, and hope you guys give this video a like, and please subscribe to LD Gaming to have an update regarding the upcoming build that I will be doing. So once again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.